Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use ashwagandha leaves. Wash leaves well, then chop them finely and crush into a smooth paste using a mortar or blender. You can steep chopped leaves in hot water for a simple tea or mix paste with ghee for topical use. Store excess paste in an airtight jar in the fridge for up to 1 week for consistent use and convenience. In this video, I will show how to use ashwagandha leaves. Place 1 tablespoon of chopped leaves per cup into simmering water and reduce heat to low. Let the leaves simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes to draw out flavor and beneficial compounds. Strain into a cup and add honey or lemon to taste. Drink warm once daily, preferably in the evening to support calm and restful sleep without overstimulation. In this video, I will show how to use ashwagandha leaves. Combine crushed fresh leaves with a small amount of water or warm ghee to form a spreadable paste, then apply gently to the affected area. Leave the paste on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water, and repeat every other day as needed. Always do a patch test first, and stop use if any irritation or allergic reaction occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.